Okay, bad news, winter storm watch have been issued for us, and we got an ice storm warning for tomorrow morning, and a winter storm in South Park, Wisconsin, and he told us. Now guys, did you know it's gonna take freezing rain and a winter storm snow? It's gonna take between winter storm snow and freezing rain to become an ice storm. So ice storm right there. So what's going on? Let me find out. I mean, how bad the ice will get. Okay, we do not see how many ice and how bad the ice will be. But I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be a big ice storm. Cause that's what ice storm will be right there. You know why? Cause, excuse me. Okay, fix it. Yep, you're in pause. Up right there is snow. Yep, we're in a high pressure in Phillies a little bit. Let's see. Both afternoon and tonight and Thursday is gonna be good. But no, look at this. Windy mix. This could be an ice storm a little bit. Man, we might have a bad storm coming at us because when I go to the Southern Tribune, we got a lot of people losing their lives out there. Because there was an accident this morning. 2 killed, 2 injured in the Queerwell crash. Happened not too long ago. If my calculations are correct, we had another accident yesterday. Because some guy lose the control and hit the semi and BAM! The person was dead because he got injured, a serious injured. Here's why. Because if you look outside right now, the roads are slippery ice. It's gonna get worse. Way worse. We got a bad winter this year. That's a good thing for me. For me it is. But I do not like the power outage. We got like a couple ice storms last year. The power didn't go out because the ice wasn't that bad. I'll show you about an ice storm someday. The ice storm will be in the next episode. It'll be an ice storm. That's what the episode will called. Oh, we got another accident. And oh my goodness. We got another accident in the city of South Bend. Come on, let's take this thing so long. Tomorrow's the last day because tomorrow's the last day. I got winter vacation tomorrow, and every accident close some Indiana roads kill shit. What the picture looks like. Eastbound, vehicle lost control and BAM hit the semi roll over. And 3 people also crashed. That's 9. That's 14. Jesus Christ. What the hell is going on this road? Please help us. Okay, this is talking Jesus. Say, what the hell is going on here? Because this is not actually a safe. This town is actually not safe. because some people like to go in the south part of the United States to stay away from the cold weather. And guess what? Frankie, Indiana, we have another crash right there. All 50 kids were injured. It happened not too long ago. And we got another one about Elkhart, man. Oh, sorry about that. So, that's all about it. So, I'm just telling you what's going on here. And it's gonna get worse too. And oh shoot! The ice storm and the winter storm is getting bigger. Oh my god. Right there. Now we're gonna move up a little bit because that's where the ice storm ends. Oh! Heavier snow is right there. And we go to my area. We're gonna get a winter storm. Watch. And a warning. Warning's gonna hit us, so this is gonna be excited for me right now. Guys, look outside right now. I bet nobody's outside right now because look at the roads are pretty much white. We got like a couple inches of snow. Just ignore him. Just ignore her. Just listen to me. Guys, I'm gonna take a picture of that right there. I cannot see back there. Look at that. That glass just blocked out of the way. So that's all about this episode, guys. So the next episode will be posted probably in a short time. The next episode says it's gonna be an ice storm if we got a chance. Because right now, my calculations are correct. We got like 80 to 100%. Tomorrow's supposed to be a movie day. Right there. So, that's all we have. Goodbye.